Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected audience and esteemed listeners, various spiritual remedies for different ailments are being presented to you. But today we have something unique to share with you. Previously, we used to tell you to recite specific prayers for specific illnesses and for specific patients. Today, we present something that the Prophet, peace be upon him, granted to his ummah after seeing a patient which the ummah has neglected. Whenever you see a patient suffering from cancer, a heart attack, high blood pressure, or any other illness, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, prescribed a specific prayer to recite upon seeing such a patient. This prayer is also a means of healing. However, it is for the one who observes the patient to recite this prayer as a remedy. Imam Tirmidhi has narrated this hadith in which Prophet, peace be upon him, said that if a person visits a patient, sees someone in distress or someone trapped in any hardship or illness, there is a prayer for such situations. This is not only a prayer for healing but also encompasses a broader domain of blessing beyond just healing. If someone sees a person in debt or anyone afflicted by any hardship or someone in prison or someone in distress, in broader terms, anyone suffering from any kind of illness or difficulty, then upon seeing them, they should say, Alhamdulillahilladhi afani mimma ibtalaka bihi wa faddalani ala kathirim mimman khalaqa tafdila. Then the person who recites this prayer upon seeing someone afflicted by distress or hardship will never be afflicted by that same hardship. By the blessing of this prayer, Allah will protect them from that calamity.